Hey guys, it's LJ here, and today we have a Schrade SCH OTF 8B out the front knife. And it's just resting on my lens cap, but I received this in the mail yesterday. And it's a really nice knife. So you'll get that, and your instructions, everything you need to know. But this is just a review on this. But the blade length is 3.35 inches. Altogether it's 8.5 inches, and it weighs about 0.31 pounds. Its extra features are a glass breaker right there, and pocket clip, which is removable if you take a little. There's a little hole. There it is. If you take a little Allen key, you can loosen that and then you can get the clip off. But it's really simple. So you take safety off, and this is your thumb actuator, and the blade will come out. Now to release it, you push this up, and then with some force, pull it back down. Push tape. Now the blade is made out of AUS 8, and the hand material is made out of aluminum. So that's pretty much all I have for this video, but overall this knife's really light. It's a really nice knife. I purchased this for about $42 on Amazon, and there's plenty of OTFs out there, but this one's really nice. That's all I have for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.